Quick to get to grips with and versatile enough for home use or automotive work, a MIG welder is a great tool. There are many products available to choose MIG welders, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best MIG welders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI MIG Welder. If you're after a bargain-priced flux core welder for entry-level use, then the Forney Easy Weld is a nice addition to your workshop. You get a compact, lightweight unit that has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control. Going gasless makes it easy for a beginner to use, and as a cheap MIG welder, it has just enough power to enable you to weld mild steel up to 1/4 inch thick. This is a good basic unit to use for auto repair and hobby projects and can handle 10-pound rolls of wire. A 30% duty cycle at 90A gives you a decent welding burst for the price before it needs to rest. It may not offer the neatest weld, but for domestic use, this is a good starter MIG welder. Number 2. Hobart Handler 140 MIG Welder. Our best overall pick is a decent priced model from Hobart that can be used for both MIG and flux core welding, so it's an excellent go-to for auto or home use. Working with the durability Hobart provides, the welder is portable and comes complete with the essential tools you need. It operates on a 115V household current and has a 5-position voltage control selector, so you can fine-tune the arc for a range of metal thicknesses. The setup is also easy, and the whole unit is one of the best MIG welders for the beginner to handle. This wire feed welder works best with cast iron, brass, magnesium alloy and aluminum, and is a great bet for auto body work, domestic repairs, and outdoor projects. What we like about it? Compact and portable, it's also easy to set up and go. Can be used for both MIG and core flux welding. What we don't like about it? Power may not be quite up to large scale or more heavy duty welding jobs. Number 3. Hobart Handler 210 MVP MIG Welder. The dual voltage Hobart Handler is an awesome piece of welding kit, making it an easy contender for our best MIG welder list. The handler is a substantial beast and gives the amateur welder a lot of options, from large DE projects to auto repairs, while an optional spool gun gives you kit to effortlessly weld aluminum. As one of the best welders for home use, the dual voltage is a blessing, meaning you can switch from 115V to 230V in one easy twist. The handler will then automatically adjust itself to the correct input power to maintain its arc performance. You also get 7 voltage settings so you can fine-tune for a precise weld. What we like about it? Impressively smooth arc for quality penetration. Dual voltage 115V and 230V. 7 voltage settings. Quick change drive roll system. What we don't like about it? The power on-off could be a little smoother. Number 4. WeldPro 200 amp inverter multi-process welder. This is a mid-priced MIG welder, but we think the versatility of this neat unit puts it in the same bracket as a much more expensive device. And the reason is you don't just get a MIG welding machine, you get a tool that can up its game and work as both a TIG and stick welder. Plus, if you go for the optional spool gun, you will also have all your aluminum welding needs covered. With its 200 amp spec, the WeldPro not only automatically adjusts and compensates voltage and wire speed, but gives you the option to independently fine-tune if you need to. And its advanced induction settings give a smoother weld, with less spattering. You can also braze metals with the TIG technique. What we like about it? Super versatile multi-process welder that gives an impressive finish. Auto-adjust speed and voltage for a smooth clean finish. What we don't like about it? Needs a little initial practice to really get the hang of it. Number 5. Gopless MIG 130 Welder Flux Core. For a cheap and portable MIG welding machine when you need to make running repairs, check out the Gopless. With its limit set at thin steel and iron, this should be $130 well spent, as long as you don't expect more heavy-duty results. As a flux core welder, it's easy to use, and you also get adjustable flow settings. It is a mini, but don't let that put you off. This cheap MIG welder is a hard worker when it comes to sheet steel. The weld you lay may not be the most precise, but for the money, you should be happy. What we like about it? Good value, basic flux core welder for light projects and occasional use. What we don't like about it? It's a lightweight when it comes to thicker metal or heavier jobs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, So do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool product.